Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for furniture and furnishings business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily. It's on a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers and various tools to design, add content, customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. So here you can start with Touch AI, so it's gonna help you to build your site and set up your site. And also you can set up without AI. So let's start from here without AI. Let's try to set up and customize the website without it. Okay, so here you can enter your business type or your website type. Okay, so you can select here your business type. For example, I'm gonna choose just this one, furniture store. Okay, let's continue. So here you have to enter your store name. Do you already have an online store or not? You can choose if you already have one or not. Let's continue. What would you like to sell? Physical products or digital products or dropshipping products? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media? So let's continue to dashboard. So let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design your website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize design templates. So let's get started from here. Here you can enter your information, the name, the email, the address, the phone and the social link. And let's move on to here. So here you can pick a theme you like. So pick a theme match your business. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive to pull more people and more customers to your site. Okay. Now pick your favorite homepage design. I'm gonna choose this one here. Now you can add page to your site. So these pages are tailored for you, so you can customize them later on your editor page. Um, okay, for example, I'm going to choose this one. Let's continue. Now wait a few seconds to preparing your homepage design. Okay, so now your site is up and running, so you can go to the editor and complete the design. So as you see here, this is the editor page. So here you have elements, you can add sections, and you can add this, you can change the site design. So first of all, here the elements. We have the text, we have the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask. So you can customize here the theme text or the text section. Also, you can upload and import emails here if you want. Here we have the button section. You can customize the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, and also the icon buttons. Here we have the decorative. We have the shapes, the themed lines. So you can customize the basic shapes, arrows, horizontal lines, or vertical lines. Here if you want to add something new, you can add, just click add section and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. Now let's move on to the design, the site design. So here you can customize the site design. You can change the color theme or the text theme or the page background, whatever you like. Just click here and you can change the size, and also you can change the font. For example, this one, and apply like this. So that's it. Now let's move on. The first section here we have the header section. So you can change the paragraph, this paragraph here, the site name. Also you can manage the menu, the horizontal menu. You can change this to your background. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So the same thing here, you can change the section background, the strip background, the color, and the image right here. So you can change the image, just click on it and click click on image and go here and search on furniture. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So that's it. And if you wanna change the text here or the paragraph, just click here, click here, and create AI text, regenerate another one. So here you can select or describe what you want in your text, about section or welcome section. You can see more here. So let's choose welcome section. Okay, let's use this one. So that's it, like this. You can also edit the text if you want. You can change the font and the size, the font size. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next one, the product section. So here you can manage product. So go click here, new product, and you can select physical or digital product. Okay. Okay, so here you can add the title of your product. You can also upload images or videos. You can enter here the product information, the pricing options. You can customize here the pricing options and the inventory and the shipping. So after you're done, you can save this place and go back and complete the design. So here the same thing as normal, you can change the text here. So this is the about section. So just click here, create a text, and select the type of the section, about section, and you can regenerate another one, easy and quick. So that's it. Also you can change this image here. Just click on it and click change image and search on furniture. Okay, let's use this one here. And also you can change the color if you want. Here this is the opening hours section, so you can also change this, the text here. So you can make it shorter or generate another one. Okay, so let's use this one. So that's it, it's easy and quick. um, this is the last section here, so you can change also the the text, and you can also change the image if you want. So that's it, this is the last section here, the footer section. So you can enter just the, the company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and verify if something needs to change. Okay, so after you verify, you can go back to the editor, and also you can publish your website. So that's it for today. Now you can start selling, you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.